Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create two synced sliders using Swiper.js. One slider will display horizontal images and the other will show vertical text. They will move together when we scroll or use the navigation buttons. The design is fully responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. First, we add the CDN to include Swiper's functionality. Inside the section, we'll have two Swiper sliders and navigation buttons. The navigation buttons will be placed under the sliders. The first slider contains images and the second one contains text. We use 8 different images in the image slider. The text slider also contains 8 slides. The slide index is used to sync the sliders, so they must have an equal number of slides. Otherwise, the synchronization doesn't work correctly. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we'll style the image slider, text slider, and navigation buttons. We'll also add media queries to make the design responsive. We use the Nunito font for the text in this section. The body has a soft background with light-colored circles using radial gradients. The section uses a grid layout with 2 rows. The top 70% is for the image slider, and the bottom 30% is for the text slider. Now we'll style the image slider. Each image slide has a fixed width and a semi-transparent white border to stand out. The active slide has a green blinking border. Inactive slides have low opacity and a grayscale filter, so they look gray and faded. The active slide is fully visible. Next is the text slider. It has a smaller width, and we center its content vertically using Flexbox. Each slide has an auto height. This way it adjusts to the content. The text is also centered on each slide. Now we style the navigation buttons using a common class. The buttons have white arrows, green background, and round shapes. We move them down slightly using the transform property. We shift the previous button to the right to create space. We also shift the next button to the left. When we hover over the buttons, a shadow effect makes them look more 3D and interactive. We'll now add media queries to make the layout responsive. We reduce the size and padding of the navigation buttons. The text slider becomes wider on screens smaller than 1200 pixels. We shrink both sliders. And we reduce the button size and decrease the space around them. On very small screens, we make everything more compact and move the buttons further down to fit the layout. Now let's move on to the JavaScript. In this part, we'll create and sync the two sliders using Swiper.js. The text slider moves vertically with a basic sliding effect, so it shows just one paragraph at a time. We enable the mouse wheel scrolling. We set the Allow Touch Move to false, so manual swiping with a finger or mouse is disabled. The image slider works horizontally and shows one image at a time. We set the transition speed for smooth sliding. The slider supports navigation with mouse wheel or buttons. We use the breakpoints to set space between slides for responsiveness. Right now, the image and text sliders work separately. Only the image slider moves if we click the next or previous button. To sync both sliders, we'll connect them using Swiper's controller property. And there you have it. We've created two synced sliders using Swiper.js. They move together when we scroll or click the navigation buttons. The text slider scrolls vertically one paragraph at a time, while the image slider scrolls horizontally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.